Welcome back to Britology. Today, you're about to step inside something that completely redefines the idea of travel. Forget everything you think you know about motorhomes. Forget compact kitchens, foldable beds, and tight living spaces. What we're exploring today is a $5 million British luxury motorhome, a true ultimate mobile mansion that blends cutting-edge engineering, five-star hospitality, and the timeless elegance of British craftsmanship. From the outside, this motorhome doesn't just look expensive, it looks architectural. The body is sculpted with sleek aerodynamic lines, finished in a deep metallic silver that subtly reflects the sky and surroundings. Chrome accents run along the sides, and integrated LED lighting traces the contours of the vehicle, giving it a futuristic glow at night. The front fascia is bold and commanding, almost like a high-end European touring coach, while the panoramic windshield offers a dramatic first impression. As the hydraulic stabilizers lower and the automated entry staircase glides out silently, you instantly realize this isn't a typical camper. This is a statement, a moving symbol of freedom and success. Step inside and the first thing you notice is the sense of space. The ceiling is high, with soft ambient lighting integrated into custom-designed panels. The flooring is polished marble effect porcelain with underfloor heating. Yes, heated floors in a motorhome. The walls are wrapped in hand-stitched leather panels, combined with brushed oak wood finishes, giving the interior a warm yet ultra-modern British luxury feel. The main living area feels more like a penthouse lounge than a vehicle interior. On one side, you'll find a bespoke L-shaped sofa upholstered in cream Italian leather. It's electrically adjustable and positioned to face a massive 75-inch 8K OLED television that rises seamlessly from a custom cabinet at the touch of a button. Surround sound speakers are hidden within the ceiling, delivering cinema-quality audio without visible clutter. Opposite the sofa is a built-in electric fireplace encased in marble and glass, adding both warmth and atmosphere. Above it, a subtle display shelf holds handcrafted British crystal decor pieces, illuminated with soft LED strips. The entire space is controlled through a central smart home system. With a single touchscreen panel or voice command, you can adjust lighting moods, temperature, blinds, entertainment, and even security systems. Moving forward, you'll discover the kitchen, and this is where things get even more impressive. This is not a compact caravan kitchenette. This is a full chef's kitchen designed to rival luxury apartments in London. The countertops are made from genuine quartz, seamlessly integrated with a waterfall edge design. There's a full-size induction hob, a steam oven, a convection oven, a built-in espresso machine, and even a wine fridge that can store up to 40 bottles at precise temperature control. Custom cabinetry with soft close mechanisms lines the walls, offering ample storage space. A double-door refrigerator blends into the cabinetry, and hidden compartments maximize every inch of the interior layout. Even the sink is a work of art, crafted from solid granite with a gold-accented designer faucet. Now let's talk about dining. Adjacent to the kitchen is a retractable dining table crafted from solid walnut. It can comfortably seat 6 people, with plush dining chairs secured during travel but effortlessly positioned when parked. Above the dining area hangs a custom crystal chandelier, designed specifically to remain stable even when the vehicle is in motion. Walking further into this mobile mansion, we reach the master suite. This space alone feels like a luxury hotel room. The king-size bed is centrally positioned with a padded leather headboard, extending across the entire wall. There's integrated mood lighting, reading lamps, and hidden charging stations on both sides. The mattress is custom orthopedic, ensuring maximum comfort whether you're parked by the coast or in the countryside. Floor-to-ceiling wardrobes line one side of the room, complete with LED-lit interiors, velvet-lined drawers for watches and jewelry, and a built-in safe for valuables. Opposite the bed is another large OLED screen, paired with blackout blinds that descend automatically for complete privacy. The room also features a skylight with electrochromic glass, allowing you to switch between transparent and fully opaque at the touch of a button. But perhaps the most surprising part of the master suite is the ensuite bathroom. Yes, a full marble-clad bathroom inside a motorhome. The shower features frameless glass panels, rainfall shower heads, and temperature memory settings. The sink is carved from a single slab of stone, and the mirror includes anti-fog technology with integrated lighting. There's even a compact yet fully functional washer-dryer unit hidden behind cabinetry, ensuring you can travel long distances without sacrificing convenience. Now let's talk about the upper deck, because this $5 million motorhome doesn't stop at one level. A discreet staircase leads you to a rooftop lounge area. Once the vehicle is parked, the roof expands outward using hydraulic systems, creating a private open-air terrace. This space features weather-resistant luxury seating, a small bar counter, a built-in grill, and even a compact jacuzzi with glass sides. From here, you can enjoy sunset views, countryside landscapes, or coastal horizons, all from the comfort of your personal sky lounge. Technology plays a massive role in this motorhome's identity. The vehicle is powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain designed for both efficiency and performance. Solar panels integrated into the roof provide supplemental energy, reducing reliance on external hookups. Massive lithium battery banks ensure the home can operate off-grid for days without compromise. The security system includes 360-degree cameras, motion sensors, biometric entry access, and remote monitoring through a dedicated smartphone app. Even the windows are reinforced with smart tint technology and thermal insulation to maintain comfort in all seasons. Driving this motorhome feels surprisingly smooth. Advanced suspension systems automatically adjust based on road conditions. Noise insulation is so effective that when you close the door, the outside world disappears. It feels like entering a private sanctuary. What truly sets this British luxury motorhome apart is the craftsmanship. Many components are custom-built by specialist UK manufacturers. The woodwork is handcrafted. The upholstery is stitched by artisans. The integration of technology and design is seamless, not flashy, refined, subtle, and purposeful. And of course, customization is limitless. Buyers can select color palettes, materials, technology upgrades, and layout adjustments. Some owners even request dedicated office spaces with motorized desks and satellite communication systems, transforming this vehicle into a fully mobile executive headquarters. Imagine parking this mobile mansion beside a serene Scottish loch, along the Cornish coastline, or at an exclusive motorsport event. You have the comfort of a five-star hotel, the privacy of a penthouse, and the freedom to move whenever you choose. This isn't just about luxury, it's about independence. It's about waking up to a different view, whenever you want, without sacrificing comfort, status, or sophistication. At $5 million, this motorhome is not for everyone. It's for those who see travel not as a compromise, but as an upgrade. For entrepreneurs, celebrities, adventurers, and visionaries who want the world as their backyard. So the question is, would you trade your mansion for a mobile one? Would you choose static luxury or dynamic freedom? Let me know in the comments what you think about this ultimate British mobile mansion. And if you enjoyed stepping inside this $5 million masterpiece, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another journey into the world of extraordinary engineering and elite lifestyle. Thanks for watching Britology. I'll see you in the next one.